Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a new video. So I'm actually going for a Father's Day drive with a buddy of mine today. We're gonna head out in a little bit. He has a 2021, I think, Type R. And here we're gonna take the STI out and we're gonna have some fun, go on some back roads and enjoy the day, get away for a little bit. We're both dads, so it's nice to do that every once in a while. Maybe we will switch cars and I'll get a chance to actually drive a Type R, see what I think. I don't know if we'll have time to do that, but either way, I'm looking forward to finally going out and just having some fun in the STI and with a buddy of mine. But first things first, I actually want to go ahead and actually wash the truck up. It's supposed to be pretty nice this week. It's really dirty, and I finally got an opportunity to wash it up. So I'll put a few clips of the washing the truck in the video, but otherwise, the main focus of today's video is going to be driving the STI with a buddy of mine on Father's Day. So I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, truck is all cleaned up. This took me like 3 hours. I was just trying to do a quick wash, but couldn't help myself. It looks freaking amazing. Every single time I clean this up too. I even detailed it, ceramic coated, nothing. I've been using Beadmaker, as you guys know, for years, and I just recently switched over to Obsessed Garage Drying Aid, trying that out, seeing if I like it. But for now, it looks pretty good. This paint is pretty wild. There is so much sparkle in it, so I can only imagine when I actually paint correct it, get some ceramic coating on it, how good it's gonna look. But this truck looks freaking awesome. I love it. So all right, now I'm just waiting for my buddy to swing over in the Type R, and then we're gonna go for a drive. Was it 300?
305. I mean, they may have underrated it a little bit, but
I think they underrated that. That felt quick. It spools a lot sooner than mine.
It does spool pretty quick. The spool and the turbo.
Yeah. Alright, so this is my guy Mike's Civic Type R. We just went for a rip. Completely shocked me how fast this thing is. I was not expecting it. He went for a ride in mine as well. I think you guys saw a few shots of that, but really quick. I'm pretty surprised. These feel way more, you don't feel, there's no turbo lag, so it just kind of kicks in and just keeps on pulling a lot faster than I thought. He also has lighter wheels as well, so that can kind of contribute to everything. But overall, being in the passenger seat is terrifying. I like being the driver much better, right? That's my friend Mike. I like being in the driver's seat much better than being in the passenger seat because it scares the shit out of me. But overall, I'm pretty impressed with the Type R. It's a lot quicker than I was expecting. So it's fun to catch up with my buddy Mike. This Type R, I was really impressed with it. Obviously being in the passenger seat, you know, it always feels a little bit faster than you expected, but I definitely think there's more power than 305. I think they underrated that car from the factory. Definitely felt a lot quicker than I was expecting, but yeah, it's good to get out and just go for a drive and talk cars. We just hung out for a little bit. Hopefully going to plan a few more drives together and go out and enjoy some cars. But so let's head back to the garage and wrap up this video. All right, guys, so we are back in the garage. It is obviously nighttime, obviously spending time with the kids and everything, and just kind of doing the whole weekend and Father's Day thing. It was nice to get out, enjoy the car a little bit, spend some time with a buddy of mine, and obviously experience a Type R for the first time. That was actually the first time I've actually been in one, felt the power, and just kind of experienced what a Type R actually is. And I gotta say, I'm thoroughly impressed. Obviously being a passenger, it always feels faster than it does in the driver's seat, but I'll tell you what, that car completely shocked me. I was not expecting it to be that quick. What I was telling my buddy Mike was the power, it felt, you know, with this, obviously there's a little bit of turbo lag, then it kind of kicks in. With the Type R, it just feels like the power's instantly there at all times. It doesn't feel like it falls off at all. It's just power just all the way to red line. A lot of fun. Very, very quiet. He has the stock exhaust. He has a very similar mindset as I do. He's a very OEM plus kind of person. So every part that he wants to put on it, or that actually he has, they're all rare parts. They're all really nice OEM plus kind of modifications. So it's really nice to have somebody like that has a similar mindset, that we can bounce some ideas off each other's heads and everything. So, and also I'm really excited to see where he does take that Type R. He's a big Civic freak. Honestly, I think he has about 4 or 5 different Hondas, older Hondas. He has the EK hatch and everything that he's engine swapped, and it's pretty cool. So maybe we'll swing over to his place one day, and anybody that enjoys Hondas, we can take a look at all that stuff and maybe experience some Honda stuff. I'm not a big Honda guy. You know, I don't mind them, but I never really got into them. So maybe some of you guys are, and we can go check out his cars and have some fun there. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope all the dads and soon-to-be dads had a nice Father's Day. I know I did. I got to spend plenty of time with the kids and everything. I got to spend some time with the cars, the STI, and obviously washing up the truck. Looks amazing. It's dark right now, so it's kind of hard to show. But yeah, I hope everybody had a really nice weekend. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. A little bit different. Really nice to get out and kind of take the car out and stretch its legs and everything. But that is it for this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions at all about my buddy Mike's Type R or the STI, please leave them in the comments below. In the meantime, keep it clean, keep it simple, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.